technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Breaking development coming in amidst the storm over remarks on illegals. Saida Hamid's event has been disrupted. Some members of a Muslim group are said to have been protesting against Saida Hamid and Prashant Bhushan. Hindu groups are also a part of these protests. There are reports that suggest that slogans of Jai Shri Ram were raised at this event. My colleague Isha is joining us for more. Isha, give us the details.
Priya, so Saida Hamid, Prashant Bhushan and other leaders are organizing a press conference in the Constitution Club. They are holding this press conference against the Assam government and also Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam CM's takedown against illegal immigrants. And as you were also pointing out, so Hindu groups and Muslim groups arrived here. In fact, this is at the spot where they arrived. Hindu Sena was also here, and so were Muslim groups. They were protesting. They stated that they alleged that Prashant Bhushan and Saida Hamid are both people who have anti-national mindsets, and they wish to grant Kashmir to Pakistan. So we should not be listening to them. In fact, they also brought in placards, Priya. In fact, we'll read from one of the placards that they've left behind here. Assam ki Sanskriti, Assam ki shaan, nahi hone denge koi nuksan. Hindu Sena. This was brought by the Hindu Sena. In fact, several other placards like this were also raised by the protesters here. In fact, Saida Hamid's statements are now being brought in light. She had previously stated that illegal immigrants should not be removed because this is for humanity. The earth has enough place, and that has led to widespread criticism. But today, as we speak, the Constitution Club, they are holding a press conference. In fact, the press conference was disrupted as protests marred the press conference completely. But now the press conference has resumed. Saida Hamid and in fact Prashant Bhushan will also be addressing shortly.
Okay, now Saida Hamid, to put things in context for our viewers, had yesterday said that even Bangladeshis are human beings and for the sake of humanity, they should be allowed to stay in India. Comments that had drawn sharp ire from BJP leaders, especially the Chief Minister of Assam. Remember, she is in Assam right now, and today at this event, we have seen protests taking place, the event being disrupted. It's very interesting that the same Muslims for which Saida Hamid says that her heart is bleeding, that they're being persecuted in India, and India should accept them as their own citizens, even if they are Bangladeshis. They were also present at this event and disrupting this event. Do we know anything more about their antecedents? Do they have any political links?
Priya, that is a similar question that we asked these particular Muslims who came here. We asked them, if you do lean towards any group, are you associated to any group? And they had one answer. We are human beings. We are people who we are just Indians. So they did not say that they have links to any political groups. In fact, some people also came in from places like Muzaffarnagar, Saharanpur as well. In fact, when we asked them questions about how they feel in India right now and if they agree with Saida Hamid's statement, they stated that they are extremely happy under the Prime Minister Modi, and they believe that whatever the Assam Chief Minister is doing is for their own benefit. They also stated logic behind this, stating that we as Indian Muslims are not getting enough jobs, are not getting stable jobs. How do we have enough space to accommodate immigrants? So a sharp criticism coming into Saida Hamid's statement. Saida Hamid has been protesting has been saying all of this for the Indian Muslims, and then when Indian Muslims come and mar her particular press conference, that raises multiple questions.
All right, stay on with me, Isha, because let's play out for our viewers what did Saida actually say yesterday.
अच्छा, बांग्लादेशी बोलने में क्या गुनाह है? अरे भाई, बांग्लादेशी भी तो इंसान है. अरे दुनिया इतनी बड़ी है, बांग्लादेशी भी यहाँ हो सकते हैं. उसका राइट डिप्राइव कर रहे हैं, उसका राइट डिप्राइव कर रहे हैं. ये एक बहुत ही, it's a very, very troublesome and an extremely mischievous and very detrimental to humanity.